Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share with you a teeny mini album which I made for very good friends. She has birthday and she loves mountain, so mountain is very close to our city, and I really save papers if some company made some collection. So for this teeny mini album I use paper from Mintice, from Lexi, and I think also from Craft O'Clock. Doesn't matter. For me, is important to put their images from nature, which my friends love it. Also in my stash I found that teeny mini cover with 3 pages. So I try to rebuild that mini album for her for a few photos. Album measure 11.5 by 16.5, and spine is 4.5 centimeters. And let's see how I decorate that cover I found. Actually mini album. Okay, I really play, I have fun, and I get mood to go inside the nature, to mountain. That is picture from Mintice, also this, and back. All right, when I open, here we have closure with that beautiful cottage, and I put rucksack here and that booklet, and it's a waterfall, so she can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos, and here is a pocket. Inside she can also put some photos, and that beautiful booklet I save here. So we close that, so it's beginning camping. Next, it's just simple pocket, and photos can come here. I fussy cut that mountain, and I have to show you that beautiful, beautiful booklets. Okay, so put them in, and here we have map. I think it's continue, yes. And I just, I don't want cover that, so I just cut pocket on the top, and I have photo mat inside. Okay, let's go to out. Also it's double page, so I have also something in where you are. Okay. Some bad photocopy, but if she put photo there will be nice. Here is flap, and 13 by 9.5 photos can go there, and also I add that beautiful booklet with that teddy bear. Okay, next. I am fascinated about that beautiful, beautiful image, and I made pocket here with that beautiful reindeer, and here we have photo mat. Also other side have photo mat. And here is booklet like that. Next, it's flap, tap, back and back, side and side, and photos, 4 photos we can save if I am not ready to cover the images from design. Here we can also slide some photos here, but it's flap, and when I open flap, it's pocket with that booklet, and also is 3D pocket, so she can put more photos, and I just put that 2 photo mats there. So I hope you like that album. It's still mini, but I think it's beautiful present for my friends. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and I invite you for next video because it will be card for that, my friend. Bye bye.